our semi-auto power cable stripping and plug crimping machine. This is our breezer clearance sample, finished sample. There are total 4 kind loud cable and 1 kind flat cable. This machine, the main product is the flat cable for this kind of cable. So this machine can automatic stripping the outside jacket and the inner side jacket and automatic to crimping the power plug. So, okay, now let me introduce this machine. The machine speed is about 1,400 pieces an hour. The speed is decided the label put speed. Okay, and we can introduce the machine step by step. Let me show you this machine how to work. Okay, this is our engineer, Mr. He. So first step, okay, we put the cable. 我们放线在这里. We put the cable to this location, and this is you need to put cable to the left position. Okay, start work. This station is stripping the outside jacket, and next is the automatic strip the inner side jacket and the cutting straight. Okay. And this station is to separate the cable, and then to separate for more shape small. Okay. Next, this shape like this, easy to strip and cutting and to make sure the length is the same. Okay, this station is finished stripping and cutting. And this station uses the CCD to test the inner side cable, whether the cable, the copper wire is cutting or other problem. If you have problem on the color, if the long color, it will worry us and will edgy, and you can get cable take it out, or it will run to out. Other station won't work if NG. Okay. And then here have crimping this will crimping the cable inside plug. Then clip to like this clip to take the cable to crimping and finish run out. Okay. We can check the finished sample. You can see it is very good. Usually the length of the stripping outside jacket is already setting because it decided the injection machine. So you can see all the cable, whether the round cable or big cable, small cable, the stripping length of out jacket is same. If you need to change for a different diameter cable, we need to change the clip, the location clip, and this parts, and we can check. Now the machine is for flat cable, flat line. You can touch this to change. Touch to this loud cable, loud line is okay.